Hello guys, I hope you are feeling competitive well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. Merry Christmas at first in advance. And in this video, I'm gonna speak about a really important topic related to the diseases. The words and sentences that you need related to the diseases in French language. So, let's get started. Les maladies. Les maladies. Les maladies means the diseases. Les maladies, the diseases. You can say, whenever you are ill or sick, you can say, je suis malade. You know, je, you know, suis, the conjugation of the verb être. Je suis, I am. Malade means ill or sick. Je suis malade. I am sick. I am ill. Je suis malade. Je suis malade. Exactly. The first disease is, at first you can say, you must learn this word. La tête. La tête. La tête. La tête means head. La tête. Le mal. Le mal means pain. The pain of head. It's headache. Le mal de tête. Headache. Le mal de tête. It is logic French language here. Le mal means the pain. La tête means the head. Le mal de tête, the pain of head, headache. Le mal de tête, headache. The second one, le sang. At first learn this word. Le sang. Don't say le sang, le sang. These pronunciations are not good. They are not correct. You must say le sang, le sang. This word, this letter at the end of this word is not pronounced at all. So you must say le sang, le sang. In written form you must put it, but it is not pronounced. Le sang means blood, the blood. Le nez, le nez, the nose. Le sang, the blood. Le nez, the nose. Le saignement donné. Le saignement. Le saignement. Ni, le saignement donné. No, nosebleed. Le saignement donné. Nosebleed. The third one. La toux. X is not pronounced at the end. La toux, la toux, la toux. The cough. La fièvre. La fièvre. La fièvre. For example, you can say j'ai de la fièvre. J'ai de la fièvre. I have a fever. J'ai de la fièvre. I have a fever. La fièvre. This is the conjugation of the verb avoir. J'ai de la fièvre. I have fever. La fièvre. 5 or 5. Éternuer. Éternuer. It's a verb. It's a verb from the first group. Éternuer. Éternuer. Sneeze. L'éternuement. L'éternuement. Sneeze. As a noun, as a verb. L'éternuement. 6. Le rhume. Le rhume. Le rhume. Cold or common cold. Le rhume. La grippe. La grippe. La grippe. Influenza. L'asthme. 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 Asthma. Les crampes. Les crampes. Les crampes. The cramp. Par exemple, for example, j'ai une crampe au mollet. Mollet, le mollet is the cuff. the muscle behind your leg. Cough, you know what the cough is. J'ai une crampe au mollet. I have a cramp in the cuff. Les crampes. La nausée, nausea. La varicelle, chickenpox or smallpox. L'éruption, rash. L'attaque cérébrale, l'attaque, it is like attack in English with a little difference in pronunciation. L'attaque cérébrale, cerebral. L'attaque cérébrale, stroke. Attack, cerebral attack means stroke in English. L'attaque cérébrale. Le diabète, diabetes. L'eczéma, eczéma. Le refroidissement, pay attention to this word, refroidissement, le refroidissement, chill or shiver. La diarrhée, diarrhea. L'allergie, allergy. L'infection, infection. Le mal, now you know what the mal is. Le mal, the pain. Exactly, bravo. Estomac, stoma means stomach. Le mal d'estomac, we learned le mal de tête, headache. Le mal d'estomac, stomachache. The pain of a stomachache. Le mal d'estomac, C is not pronounced at the end of this word. L'épilepsie, epilepsy, the same. La rougeole, measles. La crise cardiaque, cardiaque, everything related to the heart. La crise cardiaque, heart attack. Le rhume de foin, le rhume means cold or common cold. Le rhume de foin, hay fever. Le virus, like le coronavirus. Le virus, virus. La migraine, migraine. And the final word, the last one, les oreillons. Pay attention to this. Les oreillons. You can do liaison here. Les oreillons, mumps. Les oreillons, mumps. Have a good time, guys. Till the next video.